Right now, you're seeing something noteworthy in the Forex sentiment data, a sentiment score of plus 0.203 and a momentum reading of plus 0.210. This is a significant spike compared to our historical baseline, indicating a shift in sentiment that could impact your trading strategy. What's particularly interesting is that this momentum has emerged alongside 16 semantic clusters, suggesting a diverse range of opinions fueling this sentiment. You can leverage this data to refine your decision-making processes, especially if you're developing models that react to sentiment changes in real time. Our API returns rich insights that you can integrate directly into your trading algorithms, giving you a competitive edge. Dive deeper into this data and explore how our API can enhance your projects at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.